Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lost authenticator codes using Google Authenticator backup detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore lost authenticator codes using Google Authenticator backup, first ensure you have access to your backup method. Open Google Authenticator on your device. Check if you have a backup saved in the cloud or on a different device. If you used a backup account, log into that account. After logging in, navigate to the security settings. Look for options related to two-factor authentication. If you see a recovery option, select it. Follow the prompts to receive the recovery codes via email or SMS. Once you receive the recovery codes, note them down carefully. Open Google Authenticator again and tap on the plus icon to add a new account. You can choose to enter a setup key or scan a QR code, depending on your preference. If you're using setup keys, enter the codes you obtained from your backup. If scanning a QR code, display the code from the service you are restoring. Ensure that the codes generated match the current codes from your account settings. Once everything is confirmed, save the settings in Google Authenticator. Finally, test the codes to ensure they work correctly with your account. If successful, consider saving your backup codes in a secure location for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.